Hello there, fellow singers. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name's Kalena from Voice Savvy, and we are dedicated to helping you reach your highest potential as singers. Now, I'm super thrilled to have you here for yet another inspiring video. And if you're new to this channel, then welcome. It's great to have you. Today, we're going to be diving into a topic that can truly transform your musical path, which is conquering self-doubt. And I know we all struggle with self-doubt, but as singers, we all experience moments of uncertainty and questioning, That voice of self-doubt can be relentless, making us question our abilities and our worthiness as artists. But here's the truth. We are not, defined by our doubts, but by our ability to rise above them. So I challenge you today to confront self-doubt head on and embrace the courage to believe in yourself. And the power of your voice. Come on, believe in yourself and the power of your voice. And remember that every great singer started as a beginner. Every practice session, every performance that you do is an opportunity for growth. Surround yourself with a supportive community that uplifts you and encourages you. Leave behind those naysayers and those doubters and those people that just drain the energy out of you, but instead seek mentors and friends who inspire confidence and remind you, about your unique talents. You are deserving of success, and your voice has the power to touch lives. Now, together as a community, let's create an amazing environment where we can uplift each other. We can build each other up. We can celebrate our achievements and remind ourselves of the incredible potential that we hold as singers. By supporting one another, we can dissolve the shadows of doubt and really embrace the radiant light of self-assurance. So today, I encourage you to look in the mirror and acknowledge your strengths. Look yourself in the eyes and acknowledge your strengths and declare with unwavering conviction, I am a talented singer, and my voice has the power to make a difference. And embrace and believe in your own abilities. And let it resonate in every note that you sing today. With unwavering confidence and determination, let's conquer self-doubt and unleash the full potential of our voices. Honestly, you have so much potential. But yeah, that's pretty much it for me. I get really passionate about this because we all struggle with self-doubt, and this is something that we can struggle with on a daily basis. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're not subscribed to the YouTube channel, then please subscribe to the channel. And yeah, you can join our vibrant singing community by downloading our Voice Savvy app, which is available on the App Store and Google Play. It has so much cool stuff on there. There's challenges, there's free vocal training and workouts, etc. So get the app now today. And yeah, I just want to say, be life and speak life. That's really been on my heart a lot recently, and I don't even know where it comes from, but it's just there. Be life and speak life, and I say that to myself every day. So yeah, go out there in the world and be life and speak life. That's pretty much it from me. Until next time, I will see you soon.